evening, Professor Huso again here. When it comes to continuing our matriculation process at Hudoo, remember, matriculation is just a fancy word we academics use for fitting in, learning what you need to know, and then moving on. As I said, when it comes to our matriculation process here at Hudoo, you're going to have to learn at some point about the drop-add process. Sometimes you will find that your schedule is just loaded with things that are not helpful for your task, and you may need to drop and/or add a class after the semester has started. Now, we try to make this as difficult as possible for you, I admit, requiring you to stand in long lines and obtaining numerous signatures and possibly paying multiple fees. However, sometimes it just must be done. So let's illustrate this a little more with some examples from everyday life. For instance, I invite you to consider the following examples. If you wanted to get stronger muscles, which should you pick up and what should you drop? The dumbbells in picture A, or these cupcakes in picture B? Or consider this example. If you were on this train, pictured, and you wanted to get somewhere quickly, would it be smarter to pick up more people or to drop people off? If you wanted a refreshing swim, would it be better to add more water to the pool you see here, or to try to get less water in the pool? The same goes for if you want to follow God better and learn to call other people to love God better. In the Bible, Jesus tells us that we should seek God's kingdom first, before everything else. So, if you want to follow God, which is better to pick up? Picture A, the Bible. Picture B, video games. The more you pick up things that help you know God, and the more you set down things that don't, the better you will be at seeking God's kingdom first. This is the secret of the drop-add concept. Add things like worshiping and thanking God. Add things like singing songs in your head that glorify God. Add things like prayer and help other people. Drop things that just don't help that happen. Thank you for listening, class. Once again, my assistant will come around to administer your quiz. I will see you next week. This is Professor Huso saying good night and good news.